It is as simple to get hacked as it is to get into a system. What? Did you hear me correctly? You certainly did, loud and clear. But before we delve into anything further, let me first introduce myself. My name is Michael Panasha Melka, and today we are going to be showing you how to use a cybersecurity tool known as CUPP for password profiling and password cracking. So you might be asking, what is CUPP? So now let us get into the theoretical side of it. CUPP, it is an abbreviation for Common Username Password Profiler, which is a tool used in cybersecurity for password profiling and password cracking. It is used to create custom word lists based on personal data and common password patterns. So let us delve into the practical side of it. So unfortunately, this tool doesn't come pre-installed in Kali Linux, so we're going to install it via our terminal, but it doesn't take much of your space. It is a merely less than a kilobyte, so less than a megabyte, sorry. So here we're going to navigate into our desktop, cd desktop. Sorry about that. Yes, and we are going to make a directory and we're going to name it CUPP, and we are going to navigate into the directory that we have made, and we are going to clone the GitHub from the GitHub repository where this tool is. You can either clone it or you can either download it, extract it.
This is pretty close proximity wise.
Both ways works. If it was a tool that was big, maybe 500 megabytes or some gigs, you might be concerned about. Here I made a mistake. Sorry. I'm going to correct it. It's HTTPS. Here you can see, and it's done. And we're going to say ls, and you can see there is another folder in there or directory, and we're going to say cd CUPP. This time it is lowercase CUPP, and we're going to say ls to see the contents, and you can see it successfully installed the tool. So to use it, we say python 3. It is dependent on Python, so you must make sure that you have Python pre-installed, and fortunately enough for Kali Linux it comes pre-installed everything. So here we will say the victim name, it is maybe David, and the surname it is Smith, and nickname we could say Dev, date of birth 12/03/1990, business name Sarah Bloomberg, date of birth it is 21st of May 1998, child's name Deborah, nickname D, date of birth 29th of 2908 2020, and pet's name, they have a dog, Bingo. Company's name, the CEOs. Do you want to add any keywords about the victim? Will say no.
This is pretty
For
close proximity wise.
here, any special characters at the end? Yes. Any random numbers? No. And glitch mode? No. And here you can see that it has finished compiling a custom word list of 23,850 words in just a mere second. So here hyperspeed print, no. So here for us to view our word list, we will say cat david.txt, and there you can see your 23,850 words in this custom word list. So in the next video we're going to show you how to use this custom word list to attack a network, a wireless network. So we'll go into the practical side in the next video. This video was all about installing how to create custom word list. So the main features of CUPP: custom word list generation, pattern recognition, flexibility, the benefit, password, security assessment, user awareness, increased security, reduced cost, increased compliance, improved employee productivity, and we showed you how to use it. We highly recommend you to subscribe, like and subscribe on our